As end-to-end digitalization experts, SBL has added another feather in its cap in its list of achievement. SBL successfully digitalizes India's first Legislative Assembly by implementing Nationalevidhanapplication program at Nagaland Legislative Assembly. SBL Knowledge Services was selected by Nagaland Legislative Assembly as the implementation partner for NeVA project based on its merit of its top market position in this domain, technical capabilities, and several past successful implementations of similar projects such as Himachal Pradesh State Assembly. The Nationalevidhanapplication, NeVA or Paperless Assembly, encompasses the use of information and communications technology to facilitate and digitalize proceedings in the House, including the entire Assembly session, from the Governor's address to the budget presentation. The system equips the automation of the entire legislative law-making process. The process of NeVA implementation in the Assembly was a challenging task as it required substantial process re-engineering to adapt NeVA according to the specific needs of Nagaland Assembly. SBL's expertise and technical knowledge in assembly automation and system integration over the past decade enabled Nagaland Assembly to re-engineer and implement NeVA in record time. Nagaland State Assembly goes live with e-Vidhan on the 19th of March 2022.
Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs extends its gratitude to the State Assembly of Nagaland for being the first in the country to operationalize it. I would also like to place on record my appreciation and thanks to the implementing agency, the SBL Knowledge Services, and to our Assembly Secretariat for their speed, efficiency, and the commitment with which they have operationalized it.
The project was taken up by the Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs a few years back, but we got the financial sanction only last year. Only towards the last quarter of last year, we engaged an implementing agency to help us operationalize it. So in less than 6 months' time, we have operationalized it. And we are told by our Honorable Speaker mentioned that Nagaland Assembly is the first to operationalize it. And so to that extent, the whole of Nagaland should be proud of this achievement.
At the same time, we are also in appreciation of the efforts, meticulous work done by SBL company, who is the leading company that is implementing this NeVA in the Nagaland State Assembly. So we give our congratulations to the team also, to the SBL and their team, and hope that the completion of the final full operationalization of NeVA will happen in a few months' time.
SBL, the top NeVA implementation partner for state assemblies in India.